BMW X1. We're gonna tint all the windows all the way around. We're gonna plasti the car in omicron color. It's a beautiful color shift. We're gonna leave the roof in gloss black, the spoiling gloss black, and the mirrors in gloss black. Also gonna plasti the wheels in matte black. They're really rough state. They didn't actually to be dipped in acid, but the customer right now just wants to plasti them in matte black. So that's pretty much, this car is gonna look completely different. So take a good look. When you see this car, it's gonna be another thing. So enjoy it, guys.
Something that I'm breathing, telling me to sleep in. Fix behind my lids like nothing gets done. Living by a bad truth, swallow it like who knew. Marching to the drums like pam 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 pam. Sliding by the beaches, gotta have a secret. Life is plain peaches, tell nobody my secret. Drowning out the teaching, gotta have a secret. I'm just a fake silhouette, avoiding every threat. I wanna stay like a silhouette, but I can't do that. No, 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 I can't do How can I keep this every day a recess? Hiding my weakness behind my black sheets. Life take a range, yeah, 'cause I'm not in shape yet. It's like I'm punch drunk out of this game. Starting by the beaches, gotta have a secret. Life is playing preachers, tell nobody my secret. Drowning out the teaching, gotta have a secret. I'm just a fake silhouette, avoiding every threat. I wanna stay like a silhouette, but I can't do that. No, 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 I can't
Alright guys, the BMW X1 is finally done in Omega color shift. It looks amazing. A head turner, as you guys seen, is absolutely a different car right now. We've done the tints also, and that's pretty much ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you on the next video.